Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we gonna present the case study that we have done. Our group member is Arif, Aimullah, Aqilfaris and myself, Hasif. Okay, now for the first one is the main page of the email. It's just like a general interface design of email application, and it have a few features, which is searching using voice. User can search existed mail from user email. Next is when you click a pen icon, you will direct to compose page. For the second one is compose page. It have a few buttons such as voicemail, clipboard and sending email button. Next is alternative mode. It has four modes. It has four different modes. For example, touch in the interface, sound in the interface, handwriting recognition and gesture recognition. To activate the following modes is user must tap and hold for a second on the blank space and new menu will appear. User must tap and hold on the compose page. On the new menu, user can choose the mode that user wants. 7 universal design that include in this page is flexibility in use. User can choose any mode to be used. Lastly, user can learn how to use the following modes when clicking the question mark icon. A new menu will appear. User can choose which one that user want to learn. 7 universal design that include in this page is simplicity and intuitive of use. It has a full guide of all alternative mode and it will help user learn how to use it.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aqilfaris and I will be discussing about sound in the interface as well as touch in the interface. Firstly, sound in the interface. On the compose page, when user tap the microphone icon at the top, user can use their voice to typing. But first, user need to tap on the bigger microphone icon to start speaking and being converted into text. One of the 7 universal designs that included in this page is 1. Equitable of use, where all users can use this method, including normal and disability users. And 2. Presentable information, where the system will inform the user to tap the icon to start using it. And when the user instruction carefully, this interface will appear and the user can speak now. Voice from user will be converted into text and will be displayed before confirm. It used for user to make sure that the text is correct. 7. The 7 universal design that included in this page is 1. Tolerance for error, where the user can check the text before sending it to make sure it is correct or not, and the system would inform user if the user voice is too slow or have a noise to do it again. And 2. The low physical effort. The user with disability do not have to hold the microphone icon to speak but only to tap on it, and the system will detect when the user has done speaking. 2. Touch in the interface. This is the most general interface where using touch in the interface or touch recognition. User just need to use a general QWERTY keyboard to insert any message in the email. 7 universal design that's in this page is 1. Presentable information, where the system will provide compatibility with variety of technique. And 2. Tolerance of error. If the user makes some error, it will inform the user using autocorrect text.
The third one is handwriting recognition. If user choose to use a handwriting recognition, this interface will be displayed. User can use handwriting mode, which is user does not want to use keyboard or type. To type, user can use the digital pen to touchscreen. For touchscreen mobile, uh, or just use their finger using the uh, just use their finger because our system can detect both. Um, User can change the method which is from using handwriting keyboard by clicking keyboard icon. 7. The universal design that use this at this interface is tolerance for error. If user make some mistake, user can also can use undo button to make the correction. The second is perceptible information. System will inform user what the word that can user writing on the top. User system also will have a text suggestion to help user when writing. The last one is gesture recognition. If for the gesture recognition, if user does not want to does not does not want to eat compose page or finish writing or typing email, user can just slide from the left to right to go back on the main page. For this page also, user can just knock twice at the screen for active the function to send email. The universal design at this interface is a perceptible information. System will give information to the user about gesture recognition in the email.